gosh. Whew, that's not even all of it. Holy mother of pearl. Okay, let me just zoom out. Okay, guys. Oh, so y'all better really appreciate me because it took me a fat hour to try on all of this. Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today we have a fun video. Well, it's a fun video for you guys, not for me in the slightest. It was kind of torture, not gonna lie, and it also kind of made me a little bit depressed because it made me realize I have major problems here. I'd say half of my clothes are honestly sweatshirts or hoodies because that's all I wear. So I'm just gonna say it's fine. I can't talk for too long because I literally have so much stuff to go through. Let's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26, 27, 28. 28. Honestly, I thought I had more. I thought I had like 100 here. Okay, there's a garbage truck outside. That's lovely. Oh, and this one. So I have almost 30 hoodies that I'm going to be showing you guys today. But this is my 28. Am I stupid? What year is it? It's 2019, right? This is my 2019 hoodie slash sweatshirt collection. Probably give or take a few because a lot is in the wash since, you know, all I wear is hoodies. This is the bulk of it. So I will be showing you guys all my sweatshirts and hoodies. There's a lot to go through, so I'm gonna be kind of brief on it. So we'll just start off with this one I'm wearing. This is a Champion hoodie, one of my faves. It's from Urban Outfitters, and it's a size small in men's, so it's pretty oversized on me, but I just love the I love the color of it. Freaking expensive because Champion's overpriced as frick, and so is Urban Outfitters. I'm not really going in much of an order because I don't know where anything is. So this next one is another Champion hoodie, but this is women's. Ooh, that's a little washed out. Whatever, deal with it. It's white. I've stained it so many times. It's kind of like hard for me to wear this. I got this one on Amazon, so it was cheaper than when I bought this one from Urban Outfitters by like $10 or something like that. So go to Amazon, but since it's women's, I think it's because it's women's, it's not. It feels like a little bit different of material. It's a little bit like rougher, or maybe I just wore this one in because I've had it longer. But this isn't an extra small, so it fits me a little fits me a little better, but it's pretty stiff. I have this tan hoodie. This is a really light hoodie. It's from Forever 21, and it is in a size small. I have this plain zip up black H&M hoodie. I used to be obsessed with these. This is a size extra small, and I used to have a bunch of these. I kind of lost the other ones, but I still got this one. Great for layering. I have this plain crew neck that I thrifted, but it's from J-Galt, and it's a size small. It's just plain black, pretty worn in. Also great for layering and just casual wear, you know. I have this Forever 21 zip up that's yellow. This is a size small. Perfect for like the spring and stuff if you want a little pop of color because your girl loves yellow. I have this Brandy Melville half zip. I absolutely love quarter half zips, whatever they're called. They're really cozy, and I love this one from Brandy. Nice and soft, and it's this periwinkle color, and it's this one size fits all. I don't know why I was looking for the size. I have this plain Hanes hoodie in like 4 screen or something. I got it from Amazon, so it was like really cheap. It was like $10, but I love Hanes hoodies. They're so comfy and they fit really well. I also have this white zip up hoodie from Brandy Melville. This is one size fits all. It's actually J-Galt. This one is cropped. This is like my favorite fit of a zip up hoodie, and I wish they had it in other colors. I can't find it in any other colors, but I would totally buy it in like 20 other colors. I love it. This is from Forever 21. It's just a gray zip up hoodie, size small. I've had this forever and I always wear it with like layering and stuff. It's perfect under a denim jacket. From Brandy, I have this Seattle hoodie. It's really heavy and thick, so it's super warm. One size fits all, J-Galt. Love it. Super basic, was very, very overpriced. I have this Washington crew neck that I thrifted. It was probably like $5. It was from Goodwill, but it's Gildan brand, and I don't think there's a size on it. Oh, it's a medium, and it's pretty worn in, which makes it even bigger. It's kind of like saggy. I have this Nike crew neck that I thrifted. I'm pretty sure it was like $8, I don't remember, but I love the fit of this. It's really oversized and cozy. It's a size medium. Not sure if that's in men or women's. I'd say women's. I don't know. It's really worn in, which I actually really like. Yeah, it was from a Value Village. I have this Nike hoodie that is like, it's one of those women's, I don't know if it's called a cowl neck, or it's like scrunchy little neck thingy. You'll see it in try on. Really love this. Great quality. Super warm. It's like one of those hoodies you wear when you want to look put together. You know what I'm saying? This one was pretty expensive. I think I got it at the actual Nike store or Dick's. Yeah, don't remember. Then I have this, which you guys saw I DIY'd, but the actual hoodie or crew neck was from TJ Maxx, and this is a size small, the brand Champion. It's super fuzzy and warm because it's new. I haven't worn it in that much, so it still has that like new sweater, really fuzzy feel, you know? Then I have this UCI hoodie, which I thrifted from Goodwill. It was like $5. It was really cheap. And it's Champion, size small. This one fits me really well. Got this from PacSun. I don't know if my head's super fat or something, but I can, even like when it's unzipped, it's hard for me to get my head through, but I don't think I have that big of a head, so it kind of hurt my feelings. This is a size extra small though, so, you know. Did I say it's from PacSun? Yeah. And it's like a color blocked, nice little quarter zip. We all know, love the quarter zips. I have this hoodie that I DIY'd. I thrifted the actual hoodie from a Value Village. It doesn't really have a brand or a size or anything, but you know, fits me. And then I just put this little patch on it to, you know, give it some personality. Then I have this hoodie, which I thrifted from a Value Village. I think it was like $8 also, I'm guessing. It's a size medium. Not sure if it's men or women's. It's pretty oversized on me, but I really like it. It's still in really great condition. Then I also thrifted this one from a Value Village. It's not the best condition. The Nike sign is so worn out, but it's a women's size, extra small. It's like a super light, thin jacket for like the summer, or maybe if you're going running or something, which we all know I don't do that. It's like a high neck, not a cowl neck because it's not like slouchy, but it's like a high zip up. That made sense. I have this from Brandy. It's just a crew, probably overpriced, as Newport on it. This is one size, actually it says size small. It's J Galt. It's like pre-ripped and worn in, which is kind of stupid, but I also kind of like it, so you know, that's fine. I have this, which I also thrifted. Dang, I thrifted like a lot of these, but then I cropped it myself, and it's just a plain baby yellow crew neck. The brand is Tech Gear, which I've never heard of, some like athletic brand. And then it's a size large, but since I cropped it, it looks pretty good on, if I do say so myself, you know. Oh my gosh, we have like 5 more. We can do this, guys. I thought I showed this, did I not? This is from Forever 21. It's a plain cropped crew neck, size small, and yeah. It's really nice and soft and cozy. Then I have this from PacSun. This is a hoodie, but it's super thin material, so it's almost like shirt material, but then it's fuzzy inside. I just thought green and purple is kind of a unique color combo, but I was kind of digging it. This is a size extra small, LA Hearts, PacSun. Then I have this hoodie. This is the brand Russell, I think, or some, Russell? Is that what it's called? There's an R somewhere on the sleeve. But I just like this shade of red because it's almost like, it's not a dark red, it's like a cherry red. I don't know. It's really good quality, thick, but it's very form-fitting for me. It's like a small, petite little hoodie, so it's probably women's. Yeah, Russell Athletic Women's. It's a size medium, but it fits really well. So that's all that matters. Then from Brandy, I have another crew neck in this periwinkle, like purpley shade, which I really like, and it has a little bear on it. Kind of random. It kind of reminds me of like those Abercrombie shirts with the little moose on it, you know? I don't know why I keep looking for the size. We all know Brandy only has one size, but yeah, dig this. Now we have this. It looks like a Brandy crew neck, but this was from Zaful, so it was way cheaper. Don't remember the price. It was probably like under $20. I got this in a size small, like one of those cloth materials, so it's not like fuzzy inside, but it's not fuzzy, but it's soft. Last one. This is my Cape Cod crew neck. I love this crew neck. I don't know why, but the quality is just so good and it's so soft. I've had this for a really long time. I thrifted it maybe 2 years ago or something. It's a size extra small and it's just never let me down. It fits really well. It reminds me of one that you'd get at Brandy, but I thrifted it for like $5, so that's cool. Okay guys, so that was my hoodie slash sweatshirt collection. Can't believe I really filmed this video. Yeah, it was kind of like, I'm kind of out of breath. I'm kind of exhausted. I feel like I need a nap right now. I'm probably gonna take one. Well, I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys before I put my hoodies away because, you know, it's almost spring, but I mean, I still wear my hoodies all year round, so that doesn't really matter. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching me try on literally 30 enjoyed watching me try on literally 30 sweatshirts. Like, I was sweating by the end of that, not gonna lie. So thank you guys so much for watching and coming to my channel. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.